Welcome to DevStack. In this tutorial, we will explore how to manage and terminate processes in Ubuntu. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate user, understanding how to control processes is crucial for system performance and troubleshooting. To list all the running processes, type the following command. To search for a specific process like Firefox, use the following command. There are two ways to kill a process: by its ID or by its name. First, let's see how to kill a process using its ID. Here, -9 forcefully terminates the process. Alternatively, you can kill a process by name. And that's it. Understanding how to manage processes in Ubuntu is essential for maintaining system health. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to DevStack for more insightful guides. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to DevStack for more insightful guides.